Vedant.
And I'm Ukshaan.
And we've spent an entire year prototyping and building a 3D printer. What is a 3D printer?
A 3D printer is basically a machine that can print whatever you imagine into an object.
It is a fairly new and expensive technology with a very limited amount of resources available.
And we decided to make one in 6,000 rupees and make it fairly accessible to others.
And boy, it was tough.
We used an Arduino Mega with a RAM's 1.4 board on top of it, along with the E3D hot end.
For the accesses, we used recycled DVD drives to bring down cost. Presenting to you Gen 1 of the 3D printer.
This didn't work out, and we started working on a second gen.
And voila! This is it, ready!
Now we need to wire it up, code it, and send a print.
And here it is, in action.
After a year of countless days and sleepless nights, here's the first print.
This is the most complex project we've ever taken up, and we are really proud to have completed it. Thank you.